Hi, I'm Chef Yes. This is Hell Yes, Let's Cook, or maybe it's just Hell Yes, Let's Cure some salmon. I have my fish. I'm gonna set that aside for a second and show you this lovely mix of things. Okay, you can use any sugar of your choice. I want you to find a very nice, good rock salt. This is Himalayan pink. I have 3/4 of a cup of salt and a cup of the sugar. A little bit of chili flake. I really wish I remembered the fucking dill. It's kind of a big dill, if you know what I'm saying. Instead, we're gonna use sage. This is a little celery seed, and you can get creative, lemon zest, and do whichever blend you want. Right here is juniper berries. This is what they look like. Cool, right? Now they look like that. I mashed them up in this little mini mortar and pestle. They're quite potent. I had them kicking around in my pocket actually from some hike we went on with the dog. Imagine that. Mix it well. Make sure it's all combined. I've got steelhead. Very best salmon that I could find. Please don't get Atlantic salmon. It has already been pin boned. You can feel with your finger along there and see if they missed any. No, this is a nice piece of fish. It has been scaled. We're going to put it skin side down, and we're going to liberally coat it with the salt sugar mixture. Then the other part that's very important is the pressure. You're going to weight it down, and you're going to drain the liquid that comes off. This is in the science of curing, essentially doing the same thing that cooking a piece of fish does. We're going to do this up, but not too tightly because we want the liquid to drain. In fact, I might even poke some holes in it. Okay, so there's your little bundle of fish, and you're going to weight it with hands, okay? Like that. And the other one on top of it. Love all of you. Dance on, dancers, and happy cooking. We had it today for lunch. I'm quite pleased. Very proud of myself. I didn't want it to be moist, so I left it wrapped in. So, if you can, the striations make this like U shape. You want to get the biggest cross section of those, so the more flat you can cut it, and you don't want to go with them, you want to go against them. Alright, take a chunk off for later. It's very much candied down there. I immediately want to do more. Ta-da! This, my friends, is some beautiful looks.